Hello, welcome all. Today we are going to learn MySQL string functions, and the functions we are going to cover today are concat and concat with separator. So let's see what is the syntax. And concat is used for combining values of multiple columns, or even literals can be combined. And concat ws is w stand for with and s stand for separator, which you can use to separate all the joined string by a particular delimiter like comma, space, anything that you want. And the syntax is concat and then the strings comma separated, and you can have any number of strings that you want to concat. And similarly, concat ws has a extra separator at the start, and the rest of the syntax is same. Concat, now you can type whatever you want to join together into a single column. Give it a alias if you want. This is how they are joined together. You can see both the different values are joined together. If you are trying to use it with a table, you can do that as well. Ename comma job as output from emp will give you combined result. These are two separate columns, but now we have combined them into a single column by using a concat function. You can add more columns if you want to the same, like this, and you can see everything is combined together. Okay, and the only issue this function has is if there are null values in the table. For example, if I say commission and job, then you will see you will have null values in between, because some of them do not earn commission. As you can see, check the table first, and those who do not earn commission have null values in the table, and concat do not work together with the null value by default, and you have to use a workaround for it that we will cover later on, but that is how concat works. Okay, so now let's talk about concat with separator. Concat with separator means you can have a separator at the starting, and then you can give a set of values that you want to concat together with this function, and all the values will be separated by the separator that you gave at the start. Like this, you can see this is our separator, and it is separating every values with a separator. You can change the separator as you want, as per your requirement. For example, I can give a pipe operator and everything is separated by the pipe, or you can give even multiple separator, I guess. Let's try it out. See, you can give whatever you want, and those delimiters or whatever you type here would be separated between all the values. You can use it on table as well. Let's try with table. Suppose I want this separator. I want ename, I want salary, I want job, I want department number. So you can see every column is combined in a single column and is separated by the separator that we are providing. You can also provide space together with this, like this. Okay, again let's check out what is the impact of null value in between. So you can see this particular operator is ignoring the null values, and it is not causing any issues with the null values. So it is simply ignoring the null values. Wherever it is finding a value, it is concatenating it. If there is no value, for example Jones doesn't have a commission, it doesn't impact it. Okay, and that is what concat ws does, and that is what we have covered in this particular video, concat and concat ws. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.